So we are here with Trig, who is in a foster with Nancy. Right here is Nancy. And Trig is with Dr. Galea because he's been favoring, he's had problem with his back leg. So Dr. Galea, tell us.
His kneecap pops here. The kneecap is here and it should be here. So we need to realign the leg properly to keep the kneecap in place. So the kneecap is popping here. Here we go. It's in place and it pops. Here and then it comes out. Kneecap, here, pops out. So we need to do a surgery to keep it in place.
So basically what are we looking at, Dr. Galea?
Well, it's an orthopedic surgery and we just need to cut this bone here and realign it with the femur, and we need to resuture everything in place. Because you see the kneecap here, when it's in place, it makes an angle. Because you see the kneecap here, when it's in place, it makes an angle. Here it goes like that and then like that. So we need to realign that here. And it works very well, and this dog will have a complete normal life. And it's fixed.
And look at him, he's enjoying the massage here. So little Trig will need some donations because we're talking at least about $2,000. I've done this with another dog. So in order for Trig to have a wonderful, great life, we need help with donations, medical donations. Here is Dr. Galea. As you can see, you know, his future is bright. We just need to take care of this.
And he will have a great family.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at him.
Yes.
Little Trig. Thank you, Dr. Galea. Here is Trig, and you can see how he's kind of favoring the left leg basically now. He keeps it extended, but that's what we're talking about. And it is definitely very uncomfortable. And we're going to have to do surgery sooner rather than later.